Good evening, everyone. It is September 21st, 2017. Doing another 10-buck break. 2017-18 Panini Contenders Draft Picks Basketball. One box break number 22. Random teams. So, 20 total spots. 10 combo teams. So, let's get it going. Oh, Kyle, look at my comment really quick. And what do you think? I need to get some opinions. Either it's a premiere or something else with O-Pee-Chee. Alright, so let's roll the dice, guys. 1. And it is a 2 and a 6. So 8 times on the list of names and the teams. 6, 7, 8 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, guys. What's going on here? Hold on. Restart this. There's only a 19 list of names right here. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on, guys. Somebody forgot a name. Missing one name. Ah, there we go. William. Alright. So we'll still roll it again. It's just forgetting one name. So we'll still go with the same dice roller. That is a 6 and a 2, so 8 times. Sorry, guys, forgot one name in there. William. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th and final time. After 8 times, got Brent at the top. Joseph Johns, you're at the bottom. Alright, 8 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. Lakers are right at the top. Indiana Pacers Pelicans combos at the bottom. So Brent, you have the Lakers, Lampros with the Clippers and Bucks. William, you have the Spurs, Rockets, Trailblazers combo. Brent with the Celtics. Jeremy, you have the 76ers. Colin with the Raptors, Nuggets. Alex with the Hornets. Joseph Johns with the Pistons, Thunder combo. Jeremy with the Kings. Brent with the Knicks. Nate, you have the Hawks, Grizzlies combo. David O with the Cavs, Utah Jazz combo. Alfonso, you have the Warriors. Nate with the Wizards and Minnesota T-Wolves combo. Preston Z with the Mavs. Joseph Johns with the Bulls. Brent with the Knicks. Or actually, sorry, Booker Nets and Miami Heat combo. Jeremy, you have the Suns. Rick, Last Ball Mojo with the Magic. And Joseph Johns with the Pacers Pelicans combo. Alright, guys, so I'll give you guys time to get any trades in. About 30 seconds or so. And then we will pop open a box of Contenders. Suns for Bulls. Joseph Johns, let me know if you're going to have a trade. Alright. No reply, man, so let's just close it. Stick with what you got. Alright, so there are only 3 more boxes left. And there were a total of 12 at one point. So you can see here, box 1, 6, and 8 are the last 3 boxes of the case. Here it is. Last Ball Mojo, Rick with the Magic. Good luck to everybody in this break. Also, let me pull up my checklist. Still by now I have not memorized it. Where's the list? List. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to generate one of these 3 boxes. Switch greens. And it is going to be box 11, not available. 11, nope. 1, yes, box 1 is available. So here it is. 6 and 8 will be for future breaks. We only have 2 more breaks of this, guys. Good luck. So guys, like I said, this will be the last break of the night. Hopefully we can continue to pull fire in contenders. We pulled fire in triple threats today. First break of the day, pull a Deca, 4 of 5, 10 player patch autograph, all pitchers that are Hall of Famers or soon to be Hall of Famers. Second break, new release, 2 of 3 Mitch Trubisky patch autograph. And a gold label new release yesterday that I didn't get to do. A gold frame autograph of Aaron Judge. So hope we can get some more hits out of this. Sterling Brown, SMU. Alright, so let's go Sterling Brown. Let's go to the S's. And that's me going to the Milwaukee Bucks. Drafted by the 76ers, but traded to the Bucks. So Bucks, that's going to Lampros with the Clippers-Bucks combo. Next pack. Dwayne Bacon. Alright, Dwayne Bacon. I feel like I would know this one by now. Dwayne Bacon going to the Charlotte Hornets. Drafted by the Pelicans, but traded to the Hornets. So that is Charlotte. Where's Charlotte at? Charlotte. I always tend to lose you. Alex D. We have a 26 of 99, Vince Carter, Memphis Grizzlies. Going to Nate Stone in the Hawks and Grizzlies combo. With the Hawks and Grizzlies combo. Or actually, sorry, this is Sacramento Kings. I always mess up with that. Sorry. Sacramento Kings on this one. Going to Jeremy Moeller. Keep on looking at the Memphis Grizzlies, but it is the Sacramento Kings. And Harry Giles III. On-card autograph as well. Harry. That is going to the Sacramento Kings. Drafted by Portland, but traded to Sacramento. So that's another hit for Jeremy Moeller. Alright guys, 3 more packs to go. Devon Reed. Devon Reed. Phoenix Suns, going to Jeremy Moeller. Alright guys, 2 more packs to go. Nice, my boy Jordan Bell. Out of Oregon. Going to the Golden State Warriors. And Warriors, that's going to Alfonso. Nice hit right there. Great player in college. I think he's going to do pretty well. Come on, man. I've been messing these up. These do not belong here. Okay. All right, guys. Last box or last pack. Sorry. We have Justin Jackson. That is going to the Sacramento Kings. Drafted by the Trailblazers, but traded to the Sacramento Kings. That's another hit for Sacramento and Jeremy Moeller. Nothing else here. And there you go, guys. That was Contenders Draft Picks Basketball 1 box break number 22. Number 23 will be in the store. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.